Welcome to ClickMyProject. Today topic is business directories of company using Nodejs. In abstract of business directory, the business directories of company project is an abstract of summary of project that aims to create a composition directory of business in specific location or industry. This project involves collecting the organization information about the various business, including their contact details, service or products, offer and any other relevant information. The main objective of this project provides a centralized platform for the easier search access information about the business the area, making the valuable resource consumer, professional and organizations. The directories of accessed in the various mediums such as a website, mobile application or printed directory to using the more valuable data collected in the business directories. In the flow of client, when the user will be check the information, we will be sign up the page is the register, sign up as a register in the database. To you show the user interface. User interface in the home, business, contact, feedback, add business to category page to list out that. In the business as the categories as a category to view the business and will be stored. The contact will be the store the database. Feedback will be feedback will provide the how to improve the business or how to improve the web pages to share the details about add business to your business to add the business to move the business details in the database to show to view the all users. The admin of flowchart is the check the information, sign up the database to admin dashboard to display it. In the you shown the user list, how many users to using the website to see in that user list. Add business, add category, query feedback. In a client side feedback will be listed on this there, and query will be contact details to in their categories, and add category to view categories to display that, and add business to show that, and view business that to send you more, add the business and to view the business how many business to list on that. To managing the data will store the database in a MongoDB. In running video, open to the VS Code and type the npm run dev. Database will be connected to open the localhost 3000 using interface that is there is a categories of business. How is it was find and place and find that list out in the business in footer styles. Home pages, about pages to will be the contact pages to will be contact the businesses. Feedback, you enter the type the feedback only name map. To will be start the rating job submit now. Feedback successfully submitted. Login pages, 2 will be registers on the sign up for free. Elysian John, password will be there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 to something else. Register successfully to sign us. John01 at gmail.com. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Login successfully. To show this, check on password to see your profile. Elysian 2 will be update the address to show that it update now. Profile update successfully. Do you add the business categories? Something railway station, metro, flying on the way, happy. to location to access the longitude latitude in the websites. Add the string business listings add as successfully. It's okay to show that is the metro will be listed this place. When you check that this place to have in edit a business to edit that, like a category is happy morning, updating successfully. Will show that this one is metro to click out to buy these details. Description, use something else to rate your business. Name Bama, rating full star, good. Submit will show that this place one review address successfully. To contact these numbers and I have emails also. In admin page, you will not register this admin page, you only access your alternative numbers only. The list of the categories, the total categories is 6, total customer query not a 0, is the total business to add up to total customers to enroll there. Displays that in category, add category will show. It's like a driving license school. Some later pictures to involved, then so alternative pictures that category array successfully. To view the business as the airport, something is so restore the full pictures of the business. You will be the add the business in user side and admin side. It's admin side and business and analyst on that. View the business to see the business details, how many business to add this that to will be edit button will like a JSON something folders. To will be the editor later data will shown this to edit the business details. To delete will be deleted later successfully. Feedback, so some feedback will be the occur in this list. To inquiry will be using this list no contact will found. Users to listers, two users are listed this in the pages. How many users are make and to JWT token will be assigned this token will be created ID. This page to image that. Thank you.